girls are inside voluntarily. Everywhere these seed things. Oh, hello. Staying inside? It's almost lunchtime, sweetie. Oh. It's freaking beautiful weather to do some stuff outside. No more froggies in the bathroom for the last 3 days already. If the drain gets clogged, we know probably what's causing it. We do have some other wildlife issues. The ant stole my nuts. I finally got them out of the kitchen though, with a lot of spraying of water. I gave them the great flood a couple of times, and now they are concentrating on my nuts. And we also still need to address the bed situation in the other house. I think that's all the wildlife issues for now. Well, you know what's also happening? Birds are sitting here on the wires from the lights. It's nice and windy today. Birds on a wire. I think because we're sitting, like when it's warm, I'm sitting inside more and the dogs are also inside. And then sometimes like 3 in a row, like go sitting here like on the wires. Which is not preferable. What do you guys think? Should we take the nuts away? Because we don't want to promote like procreation? Or are they going to go back into the kitchen if I take this away? What a mess. I do hope they come tomorrow morning. I had some super cool footage of me putting the plates on the car and on Tiny Tim. And I lost the footage. Okay, it found all kind of videos, but not the ones I'm looking for. Look, so much stuff. But not what I last recorded. Dumbass. Look, it found very old videos. But not what I'm looking for. It's stupid, because I'm not recording every day. The footage get like scattered everywhere. On my laptop, on 2 different GoPros. And yesterday I formatted a card from the GoPro, thinking that I had all the footage. So please note that Vanessa has Portuguese plates. I still don't have the matriculation card. But I have of course I got insurance, and I have the property, the ownership papers that they also use to give me the insurance. So I think that's fine for now. Still waiting for the matriculation card though. É la portuguesa. Finalmente. Okay. It's close to lunchtime. Eerie? Eerie. In the shade. Akira now. Now. Get out of the garden, Akira. Now, sai. Sai do jardim. I got these plants from Maria, but I wasn't paying attention, so one is probably not gonna make it. Was already like drying out. It smells like some kind of citrus. Not like a tree, but Maria said they make tea from it, I think. Like a very strong citrus smell. I don't have much experience with gardening. But since we have an automatic watering system, I'll just put it in the ground and see if we can get some experience in this. Yeah, in the summer the big trash can doesn't work for me. It doesn't fill up like fast enough. All kind of animals coming at it. Beautiful day. So we just came with an ear from the back of the garden. She's looking, what are you talking about me? So I'm wondering if it's the same one or if she just wasn't satisfied and took another one from the stash. You guys know that bats can have rabies, right? Apparently not too much in Portugal, but they still can have rabies. Let's hope that blocks off one room already. I'll make a plan and I'll do the rest tonight. See if we can get them out. Probably won't be for this video though. The videos are a bit scattered at the moment, but I'm trying to get to the regularly scheduled programming somewhere in the very near future. We're done with the podcast recordings for now. Yeah, these summer months are really too hot to record podcasts outside. Yeah, we only had 4. The last one was with CJ from Project Ember. He was here a couple of days ago. That will be on the main channel, I think, in 2 weeks. And I invited like 10 different people, but only 4 were willing to come over. So I'm not really sure how we're going to continue, if and how we're going to continue. Only needs a battery. Maybe a new metal blade.